didn't set something up right because it's not streaming. Thought I had this all set up. I apologize, but apparently my live stream is not live because I can't see anything. And it says live streaming, so what's live streaming? Because I don't see anything. What did I not do? Because I really thought I had this set up. Right. Oh my goodness. That's what's live? Great. That's not what I want to be live. I apologize. I did something wrong because I didn't get it set up right. Okay, here we go. I apologize. I did something wrong because I didn't get it set up right. It's lagging though. This is my very first live, but I thought it's lagging. This is my very first live, but I thought it's lagging. Now it's just repeating itself. What is going on here? Let's see. I'm gonna type in waste management here. We'll take a look at. No, that's Walmart. Type in waste management here. Take a look at that's Walmart. That's weird. That's a weird sound coming from that. Why is it lagging? I'm gonna have to try different software because I don't think I'm liking this software too much. Wait a little bit, see if anybody enters the room here. My very first live, and it sucks. Anyone need a chart analyst on a symbol? Just type in the symbol and we'll take a look at it. My very first live, but don't seem to be going very well, but we'll see. Trying to wait for more people to get in the room. Hello, everyone. Anyone need a chart analyst on a symbol? Just type in the symbol and we'll take a look at it. My very first live, but don't seem to be going very well, but we'll see. Trying to wait for more people to get in the room. Hello, everyone. Anyone need a chart analyst on a symbol? Just type in the symbol and we'll take a look at it. My very first live, don't seem to be going very well, but we'll see. Trying to wait for more people to get in the room. Hello, everyone. Well, anyway, just go ahead and take a look at waste management real quick here. This is a 1-year chart. I use RSI, the MACD. Those are my indicators. I also use Bollinger Bands and parabolic stop and reverse SARs. So I can see where trends are going. Use RSI, the MACD. Those are my indicators. I also use. See waste management. It's actually down a little bit, 0.54% the last 30 days. Let's see, take a look at 1 year. It's up over 7% the past year. We see we got a red monthly and a red weekly, so it's definitely not in the uptrend right now. Go back and look at 2 years. I'm gonna take out these dailies. Got a green monthly there. Then we got a red monthly here, so it's actually in a downtrend. A little spike here. It never really you don't see this stock going outside the Bollinger Bands too much. It actually stays within the perimeters. Got an oversold territory back here that was in April 28th, 2022, and it came back in. But like I said, this is just a 1-year chart right here. More or less going sideways. We got a spike here. Well, I got 3 people in the room, so anybody keeps saying it's going up 3, 4. Anybody got a symbol to type in? Type in a symbol. Let's take a look at the chart. Let's talk about it. Type in a symbol. I need a symbol to look up. That's what this live is for. If it's working, okay. Somebody gonna type in a symbol? I need a symbol. This is Alfonso with Stock Market Cash Flow TV. I need a symbol to look up. Anybody got a symbol? It's a Saturday night. Maybe this is a bad time. Anybody got a symbol to look up? Well, I ain't gonna be able to do this tomorrow night because my daughter's gonna be here, and she is not gonna allow this. Got a 3-year-old daughter, and she wants undivided attention. Anytime I come in this office, she has a fit. So I gotta try to do my lives when she's not here. Anybody have a symbol? There's 4 people in the chat. Showing 4 people watching. So any of you guys got a, or guys or gals, anybody got a symbol that we can take a look at? I got the settings wrong. I'm about to do some reconfigurations because it's lagging. It's lagging a lot. 23 minutes. Nobody have a symbol? Let's take a look at Apple. See, long-term trend. Has been up since February 3rd, 2023 at 155.45. Intermediate term trend has been up since January 17th, 2023 at 134.92. Short-term trend has been down since February 9th, 2023 at 150.64. So that's the daily. This is the weekly. And this is the monthly. So it's actually in an uptrend. And we got a score of 85. Let's take a look at the chart here. Monthly just came in on the 3rd. Go ahead and put all these back in. Got a monthly on the 3rd. Got into overbought territory. Came back in. Then a pivot, tried to go back up a little bit more, and then it hit resistance right here. When it hit the Bollinger Band, almost got into overbought territory again. That's when you see the dip. But it's actually in an uptrend. Because we got the monthly. And the monthly came in on the 3rd. Then we got the SARS on the bottom also. So, and you can see the Bollinger Bands. They're all pointing up. So Apple is definitely in an uptrend. We got the crossover down here, the MACD crossover on January 9th. At 130, and you can see here you had a daily that came in. So the daily helps you get into the trades early. Like I said, it all depends on your trading style. If you want to get in down here, you want to wait, which is a weekly, you want to wait here. But you want to make sure you got these little bitty purple dots, which is the SARS. This right here determines the direction of the trend. You can see when they end it, and then they start here. It was on January 6th. We got the daily, we got the weekly, got in the overbought territory, came back in, went along the line, the point, yeah. That'd have been a good trade right there. Anybody got a symbol? Because I'm just trying to, I'm just looking at some stuff here. Apple announced cash dividend of 23 cents. The next dividend date of February 10th. A lot of people like candlesticks. Let me put these candles in. I like the candlesticks to a certain extent, but I like to, sometimes I take them out so I can actually see what's going on. Year to date. Apple is actually up over 15% the past 30 days. Yep. Smart month. Let's do something a little different. Let's see if we can find a trade. Let's do it that way. And I like to go to top stocks. Click on the volume. Get the one that goes to has the most volume, goes to the top here, which is ExxonMobil. Closed up over 4%. It was Friday. Take a look at the chart. Yep. 3 green. I came in Friday, but it's in overbought territory. See? Anytime it goes over the Bollinger Bands, it's going to pull back in. So that's in overbought territory. So be kind of risky buying right now. I'll wait and see I will wait to see what but you got the SAR, so it's in an uptrend because you got three green trade triangles in the score of 100. And then you just got a MACD crossover on February 10th, which was Friday too. So, but I will wait and see what it's going to do here. Wait till it pulls back. See what it does on Monday. So yeah, I'll wait on that one. Let's see what kind of momentum it has. I like to use TradeView. TradeView is a good website to look up momentum. What's that? XOM. So they give it a strong buy. Summary, moving averages, all buys. But I would still wait on that pullback though, because I got a feeling that's gonna pull back. Let's see, Microsoft. Let's take a look at Microsoft. monthly. Came in on the first. Got into overbought territory. Pulled back. Tried to go back up. But you see we got the stars on the bottom, so it's in an uptrend. But that's not good. The stars are starting at the top. So that's getting ready to, you can see the curve here. Nope. Unless you're a short seller. Or you like to buy put options or something, but that's getting ready to start a downtrend. Nope, wouldn't mess with that. BP. Let's see. Let's take a look at this one here. Score of 100, 3 green. Monthly came in, tried to come back up. It was outside the 100 bands. Like I said, you had it with penny stocks though. And you see it try to come back in. Got a lot of momentum though. That's why you see that. And it got crazy volume. What is that? SOUN. See the pullback. Man, look at that volume. A lot of liquidity, but man, it's still got room. It's gonna head back up. And that's traded on the NASDAQ. Take a look at the NASDAQ real quick here. Yep. Oh, NASDAQ is pulling back. Yeah, but I saw that Friday, actually starting around Thursday. Everybody like these candlesticks. And they good. And you're going to get a crossover. That crossover to the downside, the NASDAQ is going to go even lower on Monday. But we got the SARS on top. Yeah, so I got a feeling that we got a downtrend in the NASDAQ. Then again, it might hit this resistance right here. But for now, we got a red daily signal, and that's headed down. So no, I wouldn't. So I wouldn't mess with that. Because I would wait on the NASDAQ. I only like to trade stocks on the NASDAQ, so I keep an eye on the NASDAQ a lot. We go back to top stocks. We said we can find a trade. But like I said, I would wait on that NASDAQ though, because we got a pullback shoe. We had I don't know. It was over a week of gains. Take a look at this one. Global payment. I'm only gonna be on here until 7. Then I'm off, and I'll try it again next week sometime. I got to do it when my daughter's not here because she's not gonna let me come on here at night. So I have to do it the day she's not here. I was supposed to have her tonight. She's in another city right now, so I can't. That's gonna pull back. That's an overbought territory. Take a look at this one here. Let's see. Look at that. NAOV. Man, over 522%. Let's take a look at that. Penny stock. Close that out. Oh wow. That was a squeeze play. Man, that's definitely a squeeze play. I'd love to get in on that one right there. Wow. That's gonna pull back hard though. It's gonna drop like a rock. Look at that. Yeah, that's danger. Would not trade that. Let me take a look at this one. Yeah, it's gonna pull back also. There's ways to get in these trades, man. On the dailies, like you can get in these right here. Let me show you guys something real quick. Say you want to get into one of those trades early. We can go to trade triangle. And punch in weekly. I like to gotta have some volume. Convert it into million. Let's see, yesterday. Let's go back 3 days. Hit scanner. A lot of green. I mean, a lot of red. Like I said, unless you're a short seller. Let's go back a week. I'm looking for. Let's take a look at this one. Okay, lift. That's a monthly trade triangle though. Nope. And them all red daily right there. Let's take a look at this one. Okay, red daily. So it's gonna show them all. And it's just going to show you our green. 75, 75. Let's take a look at this one here. HTHT. futures got a strong buy. Yep. Ain't got a lot of momentum though. I wouldn't mess with that. Wouldn't mess with that one either. Top auctions, top penny stocks. You say you gotta wait for the markets to come back though. Take a look at this one. There we go. There's a trade. Maybe. What is that traded on? Don't have a lot of momentum though. Looking for something with some serious momentum. Because ExxonMobil don't have it. Microsoft don't either. Microsoft got a little bit though. Man, it's gonna pull back. Okay. No, I wouldn't mess with that either. Anybody have a symbol? Type a symbol in the chat. No. Overbought territory. Wouldn't mess with that either. Take a look at this one here. It got into overbought territory and then you see it's trying to come back in. I would wait. See what it's going to do, but the Bollinger Bands are widening for it. We got a MACD crossover on the 7th at $33.63. Hope I'll wait on that. See what it's going to do. Sumo, Logic. Let's see what that looks like. Yeah, might have a trade here. Don't have any momentum though. No. See, that makes it right there. That don't look good. That'd have been a good trade right there. That weekly, that 1 day gain right there. That was money there. World Dutch shell. I think I did a video on this. Yeah, I did. Look like this is an overbought territory too. Yep. But it just got a MACD crossover around the 8th. But that's going to pull back though. It got some momentum though. Yeah, it got some momentum. Oh yeah, got all those moving averages, all buys. But it's gonna pull back. This is definitely an overbought territory. And the SARS is on the bottom, and it's curving up, so it's gonna head up. I don't know. That'd be a hard decision on that one there, whether to get in that or not. What is that traded on? The New York Stock Exchange. And it closed up. And then then it moved even more after hours. Let me see here. Markets. See S&P 500. The Dow was in an uptrend. We got that daily where it dipped at right here. And we still got the SARS, so the Dow was in an uptrend. What am I doing here? That's the S&P 500 there. S&P finna pull back. We got the SARS on top. 4 days. It's been headed down for 4 days. It started on the 7th when the daily came in, and it's about to cross over too. Yeah. So the NASDAQ is headed down. The Dow is it? The NASDAQ and the S&P 500, those both get ready to dip. So I don't know, these trades are kind of up in the air right now, because I wouldn't mess with anything until the market's, and the Dow's the only one that's in an uptrend right now. S&P Dow. take a look at this one. Well, I'm about to end this live. I appreciate everyone that joined my first live. I will do another. I'm gonna try to do these. I really can't set a schedule because my little girl goes to school and stuff, and she's home in the evenings. So it's like unless I can get on late after she goes to bed, we can probably do that. Like I said, this is my very first live. I guess it went well. I don't know. The thing is, I was actually nervous about doing this, but it is what it is. I like looking at charts. But nobody typed in a symbol, so you guys are supposed to type in a symbol to let me know if so we can take a look at some stuff. I need some engagement, guys and girls, or ladies and gents. I need some engagement. So my next live, I need you guys to type in some symbols, and so we can take a look at this stuff together. I'm trying to build a community. I need some engagements. I need you guys' help. We can help each other to look through all these symbols and decide together on some trades. This software that I use is incredible. Well, I got all kind of stuff we can look at. We can look at tech stocks. You know, whatever you like to trade. We can look at everything. These are tech stocks right here. Nvidia. Anything you want to take a look at, we can take a look at. All you do is just type a symbol in the chat, and we can get that cracking. But I need some engagement. So until next time, I'm going to end this live. Please like, share, and subscribe, please. And like I said, I'll let you guys know when I get ready to do another live, and we can try this again. I just can't really give you a time, but I'll let everybody know ahead of time when I get ready to do another one, and we can go through some of these. We can go through these symbols. You guys see my screen. Y'all see something you want me to click on? Just type in that symbol, and we'll take a look at it. We'll do it together, because I don't know everything, but I love this software. I've been using it for years to make money with. So, and if you want to get the software for yourself, it'll be the link will be in the description box below. You can try it out for 30 days, see if you like it, and they can teach you to trade. They got trade school, so. But even if you don't trade stocks, if you trade futures, if you trade currencies, if you want to trade options, they got a course for that. If you just trade ETFs, they got all this stuff. Me, I trade ETFs and I trade stocks. And it even got these are crash stocks, so if you're a short seller. But this software is incredible, and if you say you want to trade say you just want to focus on a certain industry, find every stock in that industry and make your watch list, and then you can set your alerts for that. I'm gonna show you guys some of my alerts. So I got 52 4-week high alerts and everything set in here. These are my alerts. And these alerts go straight to my email, straight to my inbox. So no matter where I can check my email and I can get alerts on different stuff that I like to trade. But in order to create the alerts, though, you have to have a watch list, and that's where you go here, and that's where you create your watch list. All you do is hit add, name it, and then you just start adding stocks. I got all kind of watch lists. Most shorted. Let's see, momentum stocks. I got all kind of stuff in here. But anywho, please like, share, and subscribe. And I will see you guys on the next live.